Here we will write a program to accept set elements and a number and check whether that number is present in the set or not. So first in comment line we will write. First we will accept total number to store in the set. So n equal to int input, enter total element to accept. Since we are going to store the elements in set, we will define an empty set. So set1 equal to set, and we will use for loop to accept the numbers. So for I in range 0, n, we will accept the element. So e equal to int input, enter element, and we will add this element to set. So set1 dot add e. First we will print original set that we have accepted from the user. So original set will print here set1. Then we will accept the number that we are going to check in the set. So num equal to int input, enter number to check, and we will define one boolean variable p which is initialized with false. And we will read the elements from the set. So for val in set1, we will check if val equal to num, we will set p equal to true, and outside the for loop we will check value of p. So if p equal to true, we will print with formatted output num is present in set, else we will print num is not present in set, and we execute it. To last total element to accept, I will give 5 and I will enter the elements. I will give number to check as 3. It will print 3 is present in set. I will execute again. I will give total number as 5 and I will enter the numbers, and number to check I will give 6. It will print 6 is not present in set. That is, first we have accepted the total elements to store in the set, then we have defined an empty set, and using for loop with range function we will accept the elements for the set and we will store it using add function. Then we will accept the number from the user and define a boolean variable which is initialized with false, and for each value in set1 we will check if value is equal to the number. If it is true, we will set p equal to true, and outside the for loop we will check if p equal to true, we will print number is present in set, else we will print number is not present in set.